If here from the server and welcome to Minecraft video. Today something different here because I wanna learn redstone. This is going to do now. Yes, guys. This piston door. Okay, now we need. Oh man, guys. Man. Okay, now guys, we need redstone 3 block of chosen. Oh man. On here. Speed the oh yeah, redstone slime block. You must obsidian because oh man, this blade I because it's like so much. Oh man, guys, this is awesome. This slime block. Okay. Like this, guys. Piston door. Like this. Then this for the piston. Why this like? Okay, now. Oh, guys. So this is one up little bit. So 1, 2, and this piston is much. The blocks that like this. Here. This. Oh, like. Oh. Now, lot for the and birchwood. Then the platform. This just we know the leg, guys. Oh, okay, just a little bit. This machine, not a machine, but it's a door. Yes. So the repeater it's going oh. Alright guys, I'm sorry, it's just a mistake. It's 4 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not not like this. Oh man, I'm still confused. So it's like this. Oh man, I saw the redstone. It's not too terrible, but yeah, I don't know. So just let's start it. So like this. It's more simple, but not as simple as the machine. Oh gosh. Okay, we just done like this. Now the repeater. So repeater is like this. Below this, it's like this. One over here is like this. So, oops, sorry. Why this repeater in there? Oh no. Now like this. Then the redstone. So just put a redstone in there and there. Now the wall. So now we've walls. Now the lever. The lever is in here. So one and it's in here. So if we just pull this, yes, it works. Now it's time to like this, then this. Yep, that is it. Just like this. Now it's man. What's a mess? Oh man. I have to watch my. Oh man, I have to watch the tutorial. Yes, again. What's a mess? I'll be right back in a second. Oops, guys, don't like this. But it's like this. It's one. It's one, and this, yeah. And this twice, yeah. This twice. And again. Oh man, what a terrible. Oh guys, so it's like this guys. So yep. Oh, okay. Now the rest of this. It's my mom. It's come. It's so this works with like this. We just pull the lever up. Then like this. Cool, guys. So we just throw like this. So guys, this is the bank. I will crush that to the. Oh, I want a diamond. Oh, this is so awesome, guys. I want this. So, then this, guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you did enjoy this video, guys, please give me a big fat thumbs up. It will be great appreciated, and also check out for more tech and them videos. And guys, and stay cool, guys. And subscribe me, guys. So, stay cool, my friend. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye. Diamond.